what time it is, man.
Here we go, fellas.
We know what time it is, man. Let it loose. You are free.
Here we go.
You are free, man. Go celebrate. Go get your worship on, man. All right? Gotta go get the football today. DB's on 3. 1, 2, 3. DB.
2nd and 17. It's a read option. Keep for Newton up the middle to the 50 with a hip fake to the right and across the 45 and all the way down to the Dallas 44 before Kayvon Frazier got him out of the I formation. Straight handoff to McCaffrey. Demarcus Lawrence recovered the football.
Hey, that's a way to keep fighting now. That's a way to keep battling. That's a way to keep battling.
They haven't even got into their offense yet. They've run 10 plays.
At the 14, Prescott 2 play fakes and he's sacked.
I got to go hit him. Because you didn't see how he bounced back on the first one before that play? He cut it back.
2, Newton. Inside handoff, McCaffrey with a head of steam across the 20. Down to the 10, across the 10. Holy cow. 2nd and goal. There's a keeper by Newton, and he walks the dog on the right side.
So we got to work to our 2x2 alignments. Buzz player, that's number 2. That's your work, right? You got to be on the pitch. You see it? You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. I got you.
Inside handoff to Elliott, and he burrows his way across for you. At the 35, inside handoff, Elliott room to run on the right. He's got Zach Martin in front to the 50-yard line. Looked like Zeke Elliott a little bit. On 2nd and 3, Prescott, high snap, pulls it down. Option pitch, right side, Elliott, goal line, dives it in. Touchdown, Cowboys.
We got one more. We got one more.
We're going to get one more shot. We got 3 timeouts and a 2 minutes.
One more time. All right, one more time. That's it. That's it.
Back goes Newton, sets, rushed, hit, down he goes at the 24-yard line. Demarcus Lawrence with his first sack of the year.
One more. Come on, Pete. One more drive.
In the gun with a 4-man rush, Prescott pumps and runs up and steps back and runs left and is sacked and fumbles the ball. It's loose and it is recovered by Carolina.
Okay, it's one game. Here we go.
It'll get better. I promise it'll get better. You know
Well,
how I know?
Sunday. Well, how do you know that?
Because it really can't get very much worse. It can actually get some worse, but I don't think it will.